Welcome to Castlecove Village, an intimate 22 homesite community nestled around a tranquil cul-de-sac just off of 7th Avenue in Trappe, Pennsylvania. Castlecove offers direct access to Rambo Park via a walking path, complete with recreational trails, a pavilion, and park. It's a haven for families, especially those within the renowned Perkiomen Valley School District. The kids love Castlecove Village. From the moment they step off the bus, they're hopping between houses and playing outside all day. It's a community where they can safely grow up riding their bikes all around the circle, a hallmark of our community. Walk to local gems like Valerio's Coffee Shop, Trappe Tavern, Piccolo Boutique, and more than 20 miles of recreational trails. Castlecove Village offers easy access to 422 with proximity to Pottstown, Phoenixville, King of Prussia, and an hour drive to Center City, Philadelphia, an international airport. We're also 10 minutes from Providence Town Center, boasting many additional local restaurants and retailers. Beyond the physical amenities, Castlecove embodies a true sense of community. Our homeowners are delighted they chose Keystone, not just for their homes, but for the lasting connections and friendships forged with their neighbors. Designing your custom home is the experience of a lifetime. Keystone offers the assistance of friendly and experienced professionals who are here to guide you through every step of the home building journey. Castlecove Village, where community, convenience, and a beautiful custom home are waiting for you.